I think the first thing I'd say is if somebody's recommended you surgery, I think it's always a good idea to get another opinion. I think that surgeons commonly look at things from a different perspective, and getting 1 or 2 or 3 opinions on that is very smart. Surgery comes with risks, and you want to make sure that you're comfortable with who's treating you, you're comfortable with that, that the risks that you're undertaking and potential benefits. Evaluate the person, the surgeon who's talking to you, and how they're explaining those risks, and maybe what the likelihood is. If it's something that's, we always tell people that you could have X complication, but what's the likelihood? Is that less than 1%? What's the actual likelihood of that happening? And how frequently does the doctor do these procedures, and how comfortable are they with managing anything that comes up? One, you can ask your primary care provider. A lot of times your doctor will know who to recommend or who's good at a specific procedure. We all use Google for everything, and so that you can look for Google reviews and look for what other patients have said. And then maybe just getting a doctor you trust. I think if you find a doctor that you trust that's going to give you a good opinion, I think that can go a long way. So people come to see me and they want a different type of doctor or something else, and I'm happy to give them those names. Or even for the same things that I do. If somebody says, thanks for that information, do you have somebody else that I could, run this by or look at my x-rays? And absolutely. So I know most orthopedic surgeons in town, and I can give you a list of 5 names of good people who are honest that will give you a good opinion on what the right thing is for you.